SEI especially gave me the look into innovation, look into developing leadership skills. Mostly it was like an amazing catalyst, transferring myself from university studies to business professional life.
The SEI definitely equipped me with certain skills that are now very useful.
It has given me the opportunity to start my entrepreneurial journey and finally do what I want to do in life.
Thanks to this program, I also learned how American businesses work in Slovenia. It gave me new perspectives on the economics.
So much hands-on experience with all the workshops, site visits.
Yeah, it was truly like a push-up to to start something on my own.
A big thank you to US Embassy and AmCham, who's still year after year putting so much energy and efforts into the new generations.